Welcome to Drager's Clubhouse and Drager's Museum. Hi, I'm Jerry Drager, Drager's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. I want to talk to you on this. This is a hardtop for a Porsche Boxster, and they fit at 98 to 2004, I think it is. Anyway, I got to tell you, this thing looks like brand new, and it came off a Boxster, and look how nice it is. I mean, it's like brand new. I mean, I don't think there's a mark or scratch in it anywhere. And I love the silver color. You know, that'll go with anything. I mean, it's black at first, it looks really beautiful against. The yellow back there behind us may not be so good, but you know what? Red and silver over there, look at that, it looks good. I think somebody's gonna have a nice top to put on their Porsche and a Boxster. They can drive it year-round if they want to. I mean, make it a driver. You'll like this top. It's like brand new. The question is, do you have a Boxster, a Porsche Boxster, and do you need a hardtop for it? If you do need a hardtop for it, this silver would go with almost any color Boxster you have. You got a black one, this silver top would look really good on it. You got a red one, this silver top would look really good on it. And look how nice it is. I mean, I've been looking it over, and it looks like new. And you know, and I'm not absolutely positive on the year. I think 2004, 2005, 2006, somewhere right in that area. Maybe they're all the same. I'm not a big knower on Porsches. Anyway, you can buy this, no reserve. I'm just giving you some more view of the Porsche Boxster hardtop. You just see, it's like brand new. You see on the underside. Hi, I have a Porsche Boxster hardtop right here. It's like new pretty much. I mean, you can just look at the paint, it's beautiful on it. The underside, it looks really good. You can see all the reflections in there well. The glass on the back is beautiful. It just looks good. Trying to show you this thing so you can see it really well. I took it off the rack so I could lay it down and you could see it better here. Anyway, it looks just really good. I looked it up. It fits from 1997 to 2004 Boxster. And if you got any questions at all, or you want to come see it, we'd love to have you. And give us a call at 206-533-9600. Thank you.